say? Let's see. Give ourselves a little privacy here. I think I'm going to call this encounter here. Widow dating series. Dating while widow. Any suggestions? Put it down below. I don't know. But I seem to be in this bathroom every time I want to talk about this subject matter. And I'm always doing facial care. So here we are. Right? Okay. So been wearing this joint tough for the past couple of days. Just wanted to give it a brush because I sleep wild and things could have gotten discombobulated, scrubbed about, naughty, because this is synthetic. So you gotta take care of it. You gotta take care of it. So on the dating while widowed chronicles, I want to get you updated because I think I stated before I was tired of the Facebook dating app, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but the Plenty of Fish, I don't like it because it's one person I thought I was having a connection with. We've been talking since the holiday season. I put it out there that like we don't talk much as we used to and around times we used to. It's either you have a girlfriend or a whole entire wife. Put it to him like this. Because I didn't like the lack of communication that was going on at the time. Fast forward, it's even worse. But he said, no, it's not because of that. It's far from it. It's work. And I really don't be wanting to talk. And when I'm going through things, etc., etc. And I'm sorry about that. That is all me. And I know this sounds like a trap, but I put, well, you know, I don't want you to feel like you owe me anything because you did say that you're just trying to feel the vibe and feel how things go. And I was just going off of where the energy was going, where the vibe was going, because it was a good vibe. And he was like, no, legit, it's me. It's me. It's gonna be me, like, type vibe, you know? And he definitely, like, stepped up. He definitely stepped up in the days coming. But that foreshadowing I just did, like, it didn't work. It didn't last. He tried. I legit think that he was just on Plenty of Fish. And this is why when I'm going back to Plenty of Fish, that it was, he just wanted to step outside this relationship. Do I think he liked me? Yes. Do I think he felt guilt because he's in another relationship? Yes. But I don't need anybody who is giving me the attention that I need. Shut it off. Because they shouldn't have been giving me the attention to begin with. And that's on period. The attention that I want and need and deserve should only be towards me. Unconditionally. And if things change, and like when we talk and stuff like that, communication is the key. People are not understanding how vital communication is. Like open communication. No holds barred communication. You know, the kind of communication that can make and break a relationship. That's what I'm talking about. That type of communication. And when you can get to that point of make and break communication, if it breaks, then you know it wasn't meant to be. And hopefully that relationship taught you something, helped you grow, etc. That's what you want. So my last video, where I unveiled the bald head and etc. like that. Let's turn the water off, my bad. I announced that on Facebook as well. And the funny thing is, some of the people that have not been in communication with me that I had tried to, or have the worst communication skills, the ones that swore they said so, just like, I said it, and it'd be like, no, this is what you said. That's not what you said. Where you should have been more assertive, you insinuated. No. We ain't doing that. No insinuations. No guesswork. Be forthcoming. Who out here got enough time to be playing fucking guessing games and trying to match shit up? Not me. Let's go for that shit, bro. Get out of here. So, I downloaded 2 different dating apps since the last video. One is BLK, and the other one, I can't remember the name because that was late last night. I probably shouldn't have downloaded it, but somebody pissed me off on BLK, so there we are. Why they didn't piss me off? Like, everybody's choice is their own. Once I posted my full body shot, they wasn't feeling it, to each his own. But don't be talking to me all and you wasn't ready for the whole package. Yeah, you don't even know. This package here is 26 pounds lighter than it was last year. Say less. And moving. Don't play with me. I'm not for play. I'm going to get on this cruise ship around my birthday time, and I am not going to be for play. I am not. I ain't going to be where I want to be for summer, because I'm going to save it all for the fall, my season, baby. Like, we're going to move forward. We're going to prosper. And not because of a man, because I am so tired of feeling so drained and heavy-limbed, and I'm tired of it. I am tired of it. it hurts right now. So when I was working last weekend, because this is Saturday, don't know when this is dropping, probably dropped the same day as the other video, bathroom video, but I worked and I was up, down, walking around, and them limbs never got a chance to like recuperate. And then I go to this other site. I was able to get hair. I was able to get a little reprieve, but this weekend was supposed to be that same site, up, down, bonding people, blah, 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 blah. But it's the fire watch. So I'm walking every half an hour, for half an hour, 12 hours a day. My thighs, my glutes, my calves, they hurt. They definitely hurt. They definitely hurt. And, oh, no, you gotta lay the hell down, sweetie. I don't like that. It's a water-based glue, so I'll bring this strap down. She should work. There we go. Yeah, this side I don't worry about because the foot goes that way. But, yeah. Need extra attention to these under eye bags because lack of sleep is real. Overnight shifts and grandbabies make your eyes look like The Walking Dead. So a little extra moisturizer here. Frown lines, crease lines, that's all you want. I actually like my, yeah, no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. But I have no issues with these brow creases. So we're on BLK and another one. I think I'm going to get rid of that other app. Because I feel like I'm outside the work. Okay, I'm going to be blatantly honest. I have not run into anybody else who works like I work or have the skin complexion that I have. Let's just say that. So needless to say, I haven't gotten hit up. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I suppose I turned that off, sorry. But still, what grinds my gears is the fact that when I post like, oh, I'm cutting people off, blah, 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 everybody will be in my inbox. So, not everybody, like certain people. So I get them a chance and they still fucking fail on minor shit. Just like, hit me up when you get out the doctor's office. Was a little bit like that. Make sure you get enough sleep. I'll talk to you tonight. Because it's a person that we both work night shift. Nothing. Shit like that. Like, if you're trying to make an effort, you could take 30 seconds from the time that you about to get out your car or about to get in your car. You can use voice to text. You ain't gotta fucking type. 30 seconds out of your life. I am not worth 30 seconds, so I'm not worth your time. There's the Plenty of Fish Bowl. I see him on Messenger. His little light is glowing. Ain't hit me up since Wednesday. It's Saturday. But every time he remembers to text, check my messages. He goes, oh, I'm so sorry. Work and this and this. And it's like, I get it. I get work. I really do. But I'm the type of person, I will text you on the toilet. I will text you on the sub. I will text you on a train. I will text you. You get the point. So he couldn't text me at any point. You couldn't have texted me in the middle of a deuce and a quarter. That's shenanigans for me. You ain't really about that life. And I really hate being so honest with people, because like, I don't want it to be a surprise. Eventually, like, a person gets to the point where I want them to come to my house, and like, there's my husband's box, there's his memorial tapestry, there's this, like, I don't want you to be like, oh, I didn't know he was a widow. Yeah, it was in my profile, and like I was telling you before, motherfuckers is not looking at nobody's profile. And anyhow, I'm trying not to be like, I'm trying to be up and open and honest. And I really do think it takes a special type of man to date a widow. It has to be a strong man. Not somebody who's carrying baggages like me, because I still do. I know I have baggage. But they carry-ons. I don't need them to take that baggage. It's mine. And I'm working on it week by week. I have my therapy. I have this. I have that in place. I don't need you to grab this bag at all. I'm walking with you with this bag. And as I walk, it gets lighter and lighter. That's what... Men are so weird. I'm off this topic. I'll talk to y'all next week. Probably the same subject matter, different time, updates, whatever. Look forward, if you my weight loss journey people, my next video is coming either before this or after this, so stay tuned. I thank you all for paying attention. I thank you all for just watching. However much you are, stay blessed, stay positive, and keep pushing. Bye.